in the last hour, in fact. Looks like it's cleared up since then. Chief Meteorologist Mary Matthews joins us now with your forecast. Hey, Mary.
Hey there. Central Plains is actually where that area of low pressure is stationed right now. You'll notice what you're looking at across parts of Oklahoma into Kansas, and how those winds are kind of feeding into this area of low pressure across parts of the Central Plains. So certainly getting a stiff north wind for most locations, but thankfully it's fairly mild out there today. Not too much of a wind chill, so that's a good thing. It always makes the wind a little bit worse. You can see that area of low pressure churning across the Central Plains. It is causing some active conditions across parts of the Red River Valley of Texas. Kind of embedded within this wave is a few little isolated showers showing up for us here in Colorado Springs, but most of this activity is not reaching the ground. Primarily what we have is a lot of hefty winds across the I-25 corridor and parts of the Eastern Plains, where gusts are close to about 30 to 40 miles per hour for parts of the southeastern plains from La Junta south into Springfield. Now, Springfield has seen a few rain showers over the last couple of hours, cooling them back down to the 50s right now. Notice some of the rain showers showing up just south and west of Fort Carson, so if any sprinkles or little rain showers are reaching the ground, it's primarily going to be those higher terrain areas and some of those mountain locations. Downtown Colorado Springs looking beautiful. We've got a little bit of Virga likely showing up here just on the west side of town. You can kind of see that rain shaft, but most of that not reaching the ground. So we will continue to be mostly dry for this evening, with the exception of the southeastern plains. Still the possibility of a few isolated showers and thunderstorms for the area. And notice the precipitation here showing up. Anything really comes to an end before about 9 o'clock tonight. As we lose that daytime heating, that instability kind of drops off. That will also allow for calm conditions to kind of take hold, and we'll be under those partly to mostly clear skies for tonight. The clouds start to really increase for tomorrow afternoon ahead of our next disturbance that will bring snow to the central mountains and a few showers and thunderstorms for us, a little bit more widespread after the 2 or 3 o'clock time frame on Thursday. So we'll reach the 60s and 70s first half of the day being dry, but then between about 3 and 8 p.m. we're going to expect a few isolated showers pivoting through parts of the Pikes Peak region and parts of the notice the temperatures here will reach the 60s and 70s, but as the clouds start to really increase, that'll cap our temperatures off. I'm going to show you the same forecast model I just showed you, the wider view, now the closer view, so you can kind of see a little bit better here how clouds really start to increase after 1 o'clock, and then a few isolated showers likely showing up on the radar, kind of thriving on that daytime heating. So 2 o'clock, a few little isolated showers around the Black Forest area, and then most of this activity south and east of town. Wouldn't be surprised if these showers go around Colorado Springs. That can sometimes happen with the track of systems like this, but I think most locations will be seeing a few little brief isolated showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow. No severe weather is expected tomorrow, but again, plan on dodging a few showers and thunderstorms out there. Let's talk about your 7-day forecast here for Woodland Park. Temperatures are steady in the 50s over the next couple of days. We are slightly cooler as we move through Friday, and a better chance of snow on Friday, which we'll talk about coming up in just a few minutes. Pueblo, highs in the 50s and 60s for the next couple of days. The good news is it dries out for the weekend, and we look for mostly sunny skies and temperatures into the 70s early next week, upper 70s for some parts of our zones, places like Canyon City and Pueblo. So we'll certainly be a lot warmer by next week, and we will certainly enjoy it. You got to get out and enjoy that sunshine. Don't underestimate the power of sun right now when we're all stuck inside. I can certainly take its toll on you. Heather?
Yeah, it does